Hive Tyrants are monstrous Tyranid creatures created to be commanders of the Tyranid swarm. They embody the hive mind completely and act as the primary synapse conduit through which it enforces its will over lesser Tyranid creatures. Hive Tyrants are extremely powerful, large and strong monsters 3 times the height of a man that can tear through plasteel or ferrocrete as if it were glass. They excel in both close combat and ranged fighting, and in fact every part of their body is perfectly designed to maim and kill. They are highly mutatable, with individual Hive Tyrants displaying a wide range of physical characteristics, biomorphs and bioweapons. Tyranid warriors are large creatures, although significantly smaller than the massive Hive Tyrants. They are fast and powerful, with the capability to be strong at ranged combat or in close quarters in a similar fashion to the Hive Tyrant. Tyranid warriors are the most adaptable of all the hive mind's bioforms. They are creatures from the blackest of nightmares, unstoppable killing machines with pulsing eye core for blood, needle-sharp teeth and darkly gleaming eyes that reveal a terrible intelligence at work. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.